What is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry that focuses on the study of carbon-containing compounds. These compounds often contain hydrogen, along with other elements such as oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, and halogens. Carbon's ability to form 4 covalent bonds allows it to create a vast array of complex molecules. This versatility is the foundation of organic chemistry. 2 types of organic compounds are hydrocarbons and functional groups. Hydrocarbons are compounds made only of carbon and hydrogen. These include alkanes, alkenes, and alkenes. Functional groups are specific groups of atoms within molecules that have characteristic properties. Organic molecules are often represented using structural formulas that show the arrangement of atoms and the bonds between them. Common representations include Lewis structures, condensed formulas, and skeletal formulas. Isomers are compounds with the same molecular formula, but different structural arrangements. Types of isomerism include structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Organic chemistry is fundamental to biochemistry, as it involves the study of biomolecules like carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids, which are essential for life. Many drugs are organic compounds, and their development involves organic synthesis and understanding of organic reactions. Organic chemistry plays a role in the development of polymers, plastics, and other materials used in everyday life.